Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, as you can see by the big old box on the table, and it's kind of not been on the channel this month. Well, yeah, the PMP Prep Box for April 2020 is finally here. Now, before we get into the box, we only got one little bit of housekeeping to get out the way. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and appreciation for the channel, and I am always grateful for that. Okay, if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, I'm going to give you a little quick rundown. Those of you who are very familiar with it, skip ahead like 30, 45 seconds, and that should bring you right into the contents of this month's box. Full disclosure, already opened to make sure everything was in there. Alright, the PMP Prep Box is a monthly subscription box that only has one level. You basically give, the Prep Box $100, and he's going to give you back a whole bunch of goodies that should equal on an average of about $150. All right, now like we usually do, here's the packing list. There's only 3 items in this box this month. I know, it's a stabby box. That should make me very, very happy, right? Yeah, except for that guy. But still, we'll get there in a moment. Okay. Now, I'm just going to run down the stuff. I'm not going to go into too much detail on things because, honestly, I'm going to have full breakdown reviews on 2 of these items coming up, and one of them I have already brought to the channel. Now, the first item in the box is a Condor Hudson Bay Knife with an MSRP of $69.99. Now, I know I've gone off on this before, and I don't put much credo into MSRP, but that's what he's got on the paper, so that's what I'm going to talk about. One of the things I love about Condor is they usually give you some incredibly detailed leather sheaths. And they are made out of El Salvador. And these things are just, they're literally, to me, works of art. But here it is. Now tell me that doesn't scream hand-forged to you with the way that is. Just beautiful grind lines, beautiful blade. And I'm betting it's like that El Salvadoran mahogany handle or something like that. I don't know. They got this really cool stuff that they do down there, and it's beautiful. And yeah, it still has some of the packing grease. I have yet to really wipe it off because this just came literally today in the mail about an hour and a half ago. Now that blade feels very, very sharp. Well, yeah, up and down. Like I said, it's going to get a full breakdown test later on. But there's item number 1. We're just going to lay that up there. Now, item number 2 is CRKT's brand new Minimalist Blade. In case you're wondering, there's all that important stuff if you guys want the number. What is that? 2387G Minimalist. And yeah, it is made by Alan Fultz. And they made it really green. Now, here's the killer part. The sheath and the scales will glow in the dark, but I'll show that to you in a moment. That's what I really love about it. If I understood what CRKT was saying about this blade, that image work right there is 3D printed on the blade after everything's already been done to it. And what's really cool is if you run your finger gently over the top, you can feel the bumps and everything else on that. And yeah, as you guys know, with most of my neckers, I will be cutting and singeing that off. But let me show you this neat little part. So hold on a sec. Gotta dim some lights. Alright, hopefully that'll do it. Just an ordinary everyday flashlight from Keysmart. So it does glow. The artwork on the blade, not so much. In the sheath, she does glow. Okay. Sorry, gotta get the lights back on. And I can't remember if I said it or not, but the MSRP on that bad boy is $40. Alright, the next item up and last item in the PMP Prep Box is the Gerber Tri-Tip. I have brought this to my channel before, and oh yeah, by the way, That's California's way of giving you a little note that says this product could cause cancer. Now, for everyone out there who's a hypochondriac, please don't take that to heart. There's just something in metal work and everything else. Problems could occur. You know, California feels mandated to say that about everything. Now, speaking of that tri-tip review, it should be sitting right up there in that card I'm about to leave you that says gear review. You're going to find it in there, and you're going to see my absolute honest opinions on that thing. Come on. All right. This one's all in black with that stonewash finish on the blade. I wasn't impressed with like the little modular sheath that they gave you. The way to get her in and out just seemed to be bulky and out of touch for me. I don't know. I just not a fan of that blade at all. I think it was a good effort to try to make a good camp tool by Gerber, but I just think they fell short. That's my opinion. Okay? So, that is this month's PMP Prep Box. Now, like usual, I even expand out and pick up Jason's budget blade box. Basically, spend an extra $30 and he's going to give you a blade of somewhat equivalence. This month is the Steel Will F45 Intrigue. Looks like with D2 steel. And that is this guy right here. Full breakdown will be coming up. I like how it feels in the hand. I like that little bit of jimping. I love the fact it's D2 steel. Just the way it looks. I don't know. It's got a neat look to it, to me. And, you know, it does appear to be assisted opening because, yeah, that just flies right out of there. But like I said, I will have a full breakdown on that later on. Okay. So, that's the prep box and the budget blade box. I don't know. I just don't have a bunch of neckers. Think it's cool I finally get one. It's ticked off the to-buy list. I'm going to have to play with the Hudson Bay blade a little bit more because I have things by Condor that I absolutely adore. I just don't know if I'll carry that one or I'm going to use it as a giveaway or just hand it to someone and go, hey, here you go. That's just me. I want to know your opinions, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comments section. I will say it like this. And I'm thinking how to phrase this. The wait time on these boxes is getting longer and longer and longer. This month, Jason, you get a pass because of coronavirus and everybody delaying shipping and everything else. I hope when stuff returns to normal, you can get back on track with shipping, bro, because I'll be honest, if you go by what's on your web store, I should be getting another box in about 7 to 10 days. Because you say you start to ship first week of the month. So, yeah. I get delays happen. I get stuff has happened. And I hate saying it that way, guys, because you know I have a friendship with Jason. But still, I'm going to have to leave it right there. Do I think I got my money in this box? Yes. Simply because here, and here, I like. Don't like, it's going to be a giveaway to somebody. And please don't fill up my comments with, if you don't like it, I'll take it. I'm going to hold another giveaway on the channel like I usually do, and that's going to be part of the prize pack. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know it's a weird one, okay? But, you know, I also know there's lots of choices out there for you, especially with everyone being in lockdown now. And, you know, there's just many things getting viewed on YouTube. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, why not? Leave me a comment right down below. Let me know what I can do to earn your subscription, and please be constructive in your criticism. I'd like to know how I can earn it. Now, after you've done that, go ahead and look right down here in this corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, please, if you so choose, go ahead and destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it, or the notification icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Prep Box, April 2020. Let me know what you think. And hey, I hope all of you are having a great day and you're staying safe out there.